The service manager barely looked up from his tablet when he delivered the verdict. The number hit like a freight train. $200,000. For a moment, Noah Mercer thought he had misheard him. The bright showroom lights blurred. His stomach tightened. His hands trembled against the edge of the counter. Outside the dealership windows, the afternoon sun reflected off rows of luxury vehicles worth more money than he would likely earn in several years. Yet somehow, standing there in worn work boots and a faded shirt, Noah felt smaller than he ever had before. If you believe kindness, determination, and second chances can change a life, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment, share it with someone who needs inspiration, and subscribe to Beyond Single Dad. Stories like this remind us that hope often appears when everything seems lost. Noah wasn't a businessman. He wasn't an engineer with advanced degrees. He was a single father raising his 10-year-old daughter, Ava, after losing his wife 3 years earlier to a sudden illness. Every day since then had been a balancing act between grief, responsibility, and survival. He worked long hours repairing industrial equipment, came home exhausted, helped Ava with homework, cooked dinner, and somehow found the strength to smile through the pain. The vehicle that now sat inside the dealership's service bay wasn't even a luxury purchase. It had been acquired through an auction years ago after a flood damaged several corporate vehicles. Noah spent countless weekends restoring it piece by piece. It was his pride and joy. More importantly, it was transportation for him and Ava. When warning lights suddenly filled the dashboard one morning, the vehicle entered a strange shutdown mode. Systems failed one after another. The screens flashed errors nobody seemed able to explain. After multiple local mechanics admitted defeat, Noah reluctantly brought it to the dealership. The diagnosis arrived 3 days later. According to their technicians, a catastrophic electronic control system failure had spread throughout the vehicle's network. Entire modules supposedly needed replacement. Wiring systems would have to be rebuilt. The estimate climbed higher and higher until it reached the impossible figure. $200,000. The service manager spoke professionally, but Noah could barely hear him. His mind drifted toward overdue utility bills, school expenses, and the mortgage payment waiting at home. That evening, he sat quietly at the kitchen table while Ava colored pictures nearby. The fading sunlight streamed through the window, painting golden streaks across the room. Noah stared at the repair estimate, feeling the crushing weight of defeat. Then something happened. Ava placed a small drawing beside him. It showed the two of them standing together. Above their stick figures, she had written a sentence in bright purple marker. "Dad fixes everything." The words struck him harder than the dealership's estimate. For the first time all day, Noah smiled. The next morning, before sunrise, he began researching. Night after night, after Ava went to sleep, he sat in front of an aging laptop searching through technical forums, maintenance manuals, engineering discussions, and obscure repair videos. Hundreds of pages. Thousands of comments. Most led nowhere. Weeks passed. Exhaustion became part of his routine. Co-workers noticed dark circles beneath his eyes. His hands carried fresh cuts from repeatedly dismantling components. Yet he refused to quit. One rainy Saturday afternoon, while reading through an old forum post buried deep in an online discussion, Noah discovered something unusual. A technician overseas described nearly identical symptoms in the same vehicle model. The cause? Not a failed network. Not dozens of ruined modules. A tiny electronic relay worth less than $15. Noah read the post again. And again. His heart started racing. The explanation seemed almost ridiculous. When the relay degraded, voltage fluctuations triggered false failures throughout the vehicle's electronic systems. The resulting error cascade convinced diagnostic software that major components had failed. Most dealerships simply replaced everything. Very few people ever traced the root cause. The following day, Noah ordered the relay. Cost, $14. When the package arrived, it looked insignificant. Just a small plastic component that could fit in the palm of his hand. Still, he spent hours carefully removing panels and accessing the electrical housing. Rain tapped softly against the garage roof while Ava sat nearby reading a book. His fingers shook as he disconnected the old relay. Years of responsibility seemed concentrated into that single moment. If this didn't work, he had no backup plan. He installed the replacement, reconnected the battery, closed his eyes, and turned the key. Nothing happened at first. Then the dashboard illuminated. One warning light disappeared. Then another. Then another. The screens rebooted normally. The vehicle's systems came alive exactly as they were designed to. Noah stared in disbelief. Ava looked up from her book. The engine started smoothly. No alarms. No faults. No catastrophic failures. Just silence. For several seconds, neither of them moved. Then tears filled Noah's eyes. Not because he had fixed a vehicle. Because for the first time in months, he felt something he hadn't felt in a very long time. Relief. The kind of relief that reaches deep into a person's soul after carrying impossible burdens. The next few moments became a memory he would never forget. Ava threw her arms around him while both laughed and cried inside the garage. Outside, the clouds began to part, allowing warm afternoon sunlight to spill across the driveway. The vehicle wasn't the victory. Hope was. Over the following weeks, Noah documented everything and shared his findings online. To his surprise, hundreds of owners discovered they were experiencing the exact same issue. Some avoided enormous repair bills. Others recovered vehicles they thought were beyond saving. One small act of persistence ended up helping strangers across the country. Years later, whenever people asked Noah how he solved a problem that professionals couldn't, he never talked about intelligence or luck. He talked about responsibility. He talked about a little girl who believed her father could fix anything. And he talked about refusing to surrender when life told him the odds were impossible. Before we reach the end, I'd love to ask something special from you. Comment below, never give up, if you believe persistence can overcome even the toughest challenges. As the sun set that evening, Noah and Ava took a long drive through the countryside. Golden daylight stretched across open fields. The repaired vehicle hummed quietly beneath them. No warning lights. No stress. No fear. Just a father and daughter moving forward together. Sometimes the biggest obstacles in life aren't defeated by money, power, or expertise. Sometimes they're defeated by love, determination, and one person refusing to quit. And if this story touched your heart, please like the video, share it with someone who needs encouragement, leave a comment, and subscribe to Beyond Single Dad. Your support helps these inspiring stories reach people who may be fighting battles of their own. Because somewhere tonight, another parent is facing what feels like an impossible problem. And maybe they need to hear that hope can arrive in the smallest package imaginable. Sometimes, it costs just $14.